So we finished taking out the bathtub, finished all the walls, finished all the, started taking out some of the floor. We stabbed away some of the rot, so then we can see how far it goes. We've got the couple floors, and then we've got a little tongue and groove here, and then the boards from the original building rotted past the vent for the septic. And then this joist is sistered, but there's not rot. This is fine. Over here, though, we've got this joist. While it is sistered on the other side, it's rotted almost all the way through to the sister, and it's still flaky. You feel the sponginess. We've got this joist that's rotted through. You can see the nails, and then I don't know if you can see all the nails that were stabbed into this joist to try to keep it up, but you can see that it's rotted right through all that. And then over in the corner, this is the exterior wall. We've got rot through all that, and then the beam on the edge of the foundation's also rotted in there. So we dug away. There's Babs. Hey, cutie. Here. She's watching us, making sure we're okay. And so what our next step is going to be is to... Oh, here's the framing for the wall that the bathroom is part of. Also rotted almost all the way through, so that also is going to be replaced. So what we did was we took 2x4s and braced this wall. This sister's joist that I thought was rotted but isn't completely rotted, we went ahead and, in the basement, we went ahead and gave it a little bit of support. The other two joists were the ones that I was jacking up, so they have support. So our first step is to take out the sister joist that goes into that corner and perpendicularly matches up with the joist that's running that way. So we're going to cut the nails that were through this subfloor, which had all rotted through, and then cut any screws that may have been still or connected to this support, which, because of the jacking, I can put my fingers in there. And then once we take this out, we'll see where we're at, possibly replace this tonight, or not replace it, but take it out, get everything ready, so then tomorrow morning we can start putting some of the big pieces back together. And we'll be cutting out the rot from about here and then a little bit past there, and this is a 2x8, so we'll be patching that up too for support, and then the beam underneath, also putting a block back in. We've dug out most of the rot, and we'll probably get a little stabby in a little bit and get that more cleaned out before we actually start doing that. But now we're going to go into Sawzall territory, and hopefully my house will not fall down in the next video. Thanks, guys.